For this DIY, as you might expect, you're gonna need this really adorable little tray that's in the shape of a snowflake. It's at Dollar Tree, and on the other side it's just silver. I should say, when you look down into the snowflake, there are parts like on the side that are a little bit see-through, and it's just so pretty. It sparkles, it shines. Anyway, you're also going to need one of these little candle sticks, little candle stands from Dollar Tree, and we're going to be gluing these two things together with none other than some E6000 glue. I will be using some hot glue as well, but that is optional. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so I'm taking my E6000 glue. I'm putting a good amount around the rim of the smaller part of our little candlestick from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm also going to take a few dabs of hot glue. I've seen on a few other DIYs that this helps to make it stick to whatever you're gluing it to, so that it has a little bit of a hold, and then if you leave it overnight, it will glue better. Alright, so I just put a thin layer of that all the way around, very carefully, pretty quickly. I'm putting this in the center of my tray. And I will see you in the future, meaning I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to let this sit overnight. I just think that it is so cute, and it's going to be so pretty with maybe some wrapped chocolates, or even just these LED lights from Dollar Tree. Yeah, basically $2. So cute and extremely easy. When I glued it, it did kind of discolor the center, which you can see with this camera. It does show it, but that's because the camera sees mostly everything. But when you're right up next to it, you can't even tell unless you like really stared, which I don't think anybody's going to, especially if you have anything in it. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous and so easy to make. My camera is just not having any of it though. It looks gorgeous, let me tell you, in person. It's a little bit easier to see it without the lights on with my camera. And if you've seen Dollar Tree's LED snowflakes, you can just imagine how pretty it is in person. It is a little bit see-through, which is gorgeous when you turn the lights on. The light just kind of bounces off everywhere.
So this is a quick video of it on my iPhone. I think it showed the colors a little better, but it is absolutely gorgeous in person. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. I hope you have a wonderfully perfect day, and I'll see you later. Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off.